Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now, we are also solving another question on midpoints. So let's see how to solve the given questions on the board. Now they said the midpoint of the line joining the point x, its coordinates of 4, 2, and y coordinates of -5, 0. So we have our 2 points, x1, y1, and y -5, x2, 0, y2. So midpoint xn will equals to x2 plus x1 over 2 into brackets y2 plus what? y1 over 2. So we have x2 to be equals to -5 plus x1, that will be 4 over 2, comma, y2 we have 0 plus y1 we have 2 over 2 bracket. So let's simplify. We have -5 plus 4, we have -1 over 2, comma, 0 plus 2, we have in 2 over 2. So we have equals to -1 over 2, comma, 2 cancel 2, we have that equals to 1. So the midpoint between xy is -1 over 2, comma, 1. That is, x is at x1. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll move into another part. See you in the next class.